Kosta and Uromarma. Kosta Marma are three in number. First one is Guda. Guda is situated in Vada Varchu Nirasam, Sula Andhra Pradipaddam. It is a Mamsa Marma according to Susruta, and according to Ashtanghrida it is Damani Marma. One in number. Pramana is 4 angula. It is Vyapat Peda is Sadhya Pranahara Marma. Next is Vasti. Vasti is situated in Alpa Mamsa Shonido, Abhyandharadaha, Katyam, Mutrashayo. It is a bladder. Type is Snayu Marma, 1 in number. 4 angula Pramana Marma, Satya Pranahara Marma. Next is Nabhi. Nabhi is situated in Pakwa Amashiyor Madhya, Sira Prabhava. It is an umbilicus. Type is Sira Marma, 1 in number. Pramana is 4 angula and it is a Satya Pranahara Marma. Uro Marma 9 in number. Note that except Hridaya all are Kalandara Pranahara Marma and except Stanarohitha all are Sira Marma. First one is Hridaya. Hridaya is situated in Stanyor Madhya Madhishtaya Urasya Amashaya Dwara. It is a Sira Marma 1 in number, 4 angula Pramana Marma and it is a Sadhya Pranahara Marma. Next is Stanamula. Stanamula is 2 in number, situated below the breast, 2 angula on either side. Type is Sira Marma, 1 on each side. Pramana is 2 angula. Vyapat Peda Kalandara Pranahara Marma and its injury causes Kabak Purna Kosta causing Kasa and Shwasa. Next is Stanarohitha. It is also 2 in number. It is situated above the nipples, 2 angula on either side. Type is Mamsa Marma, 1 on each side. Pramana is half angula. Vyapat Peda Kalandara Pranahara Marma and its injury causes Lohita Purna Kosta causing Kasa and Shwasa. Next is Apalapa. Apalapa is 2 in number. It is situated in half-inch lateral and downward to the center of the line, joining the sternal and acromial end of the clavicle. That is Amsa Kudayo Radhasthat Pashwa Upari Bhagayo. It is a Sira Marma, 1 on each side. Pramana is half angula and is Kalandara Pranahara Marma and its injury causes Rektena Puya Bhavangatena Maranam. Next is Apasthambha. Apasthambha is 2 in number and is situated in medial and downwards of the nipples at the level of the third thoracic vertebrae, Ubhayatra Uraso. It is a Sira Marma according to Susruta and according to Ashtanghrida it is Damani Marma, 1 on each side. Pramana is half angula. Vyapat Peda Kalandara Pranahara Marma and its injury causes Vada Purna Kosta causing Kasa and Shwasa.